If Bitcoin is digital, can a hacker just steal it all? Can someone break the code and crash the whole system? Let's break down the truth, in a way even a 5-year-old could understand. Think of Bitcoin like a digital castle. Imagine Bitcoin is a giant, magical castle made of invisible bricks. The walls are built by math and code, and they're guarded 24/7. But here's the twist. The castle has no doors to break in. Every brick in the wall was double-checked by thousands of people before it was added. This castle is called the blockchain, and it's one of the safest places in the digital world. Can the blockchain be hacked? Short answer, almost impossible. Here's why. Every time a transaction happens, it gets recorded in a block. Each block is chained to the one before it. To change one block, you'd have to change every single one after it, and you'd have to convince over 50% of the entire network to agree with your lie. That's like trying to rewrite an entire library while people are reading the books at the same time. What about Bitcoin wallets? Now here's the part that can be hacked. If you leave your wallet, which is essentially your password, lying around, or if you use a sketchy exchange. That's like hiding your house key under a rock. Someone might find it. But that's not Bitcoin's fault. It's like blaming the bank for losing your wallet. Real hacks have happened, but not to Bitcoin itself. You may have heard Bitcoin was hacked. But in every case, it was an exchange, not the blockchain. Examples. Mt. Gox in 2014, hackers stole coins from a poorly secured site. People reused passwords or fell for phishing scams. But the blockchain? Still untouched, since 2009. Why is it so hard to hack Bitcoin? Bitcoin runs on over 10,000 nodes around the world. Every node checks every transaction, and no one person can make changes. To hack Bitcoin, you'd need crazy amounts of computing power, billions of dollars, and somehow fool thousands of people watching your every move. Sounds like a movie plot, right? So, can Bitcoin be hacked? Not really. The tech is solid. The risks come from human error, not the system. If this helped you sleep better at night, tap like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks Bitcoin is just some risky hacker coin. Thanks for watching Block and Learn. See you next week.